Hey guys, welcome back into another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the best AFK mining spots in the Forge. So the first mining spot is going to be in the Ruined Cave, Island 2. You want to go here, then take a right. Now take a left and you'll be going up this ramp. Now just go. Don't worry about this like pillar here, whatever. Just go anywhere. And then once you reach this pillar, come here and you see there's two basalt cores. Now you can just stand right in the middle here and AFK mine here. But then if you have a better pickaxe, you want to go here and you want to go to the magma area. Now don't go in it, but right by the magma entrance there's two basalt veins. Now you can just AFK mine here and then you'll get like very good ores. Because you can get like almost every legendary, not all legendaries, but almost all of them. Not Firelight, not Magmite, you can't get Mythics, but it's a very good AFK spot. The next AFK spot is at the Frostpire Expanse. These are AFK spots, not just normal good spots. AFK. Make another video on that later. And guys, while I'm loading, please subscribe, please like and subscribe, because my YouTube goal is to reach 10 subscribers, because I am a new YouTuber. I'm starting out, this is my first video. So yeah, I'm trying to reach 10 subscribers by the end of March. So let's see if we can hit that goal, guys. Probably not, but anyways. Now you want to go to the Iceman. You don't want to talk to him. You want to go more. Then here, you want to go up here all the way to the spider cave. Run. So here, you can't just mine like here. You can also mine here and then you'll get some icy pebbles. Also here is a great spot. You can like just AFK mine like here or like just there. But then where I'm showing is you want to go forward, and then once you get to this part, you want to go to the left part. Run. There's also some rocks here, but I don't think there's a guaranteed spawn for any of these rocks. There might be. But next, right in front of me here, these icy boulders. You can just AFK mine right in here, and you'll be getting tons of good ores like iceite. Now the rest of them are at the peak. I don't know anything about the what's it called again, the Crimson Cave, because I don't think there's any guaranteed spots there. It's just random, which kind of sucks. But yeah, so no, I don't know why I didn't shoot properly. So you want to go to the peak. Oh my gosh, what's wrong with this cannon? So once you're at the entrance, you want to go all the way forward to the boss area. Now don't go in the boss area, but now you're going to want to take a right, and right here, there will be two small ice crystals. Now you can go into the middle and AFK mine. Now the time is running up, so the final is you can go left or right. I'm just going to go right since it's a hard route. Then you want to go into this area. There will also be a similar area here. But if you just go here, you basically want to go to the Yeti area. There's some medium ice crystals that spawn there. There's also on the other side here. And they can spawn large, medium, see there's a large, and floating ice crystals. So you can get basically anything, not anything, but like you can get very good ores by just AFK mining in here. Thank you guys for watching, and please just put your support by 10 subscribers. Remember, 10 subscribers is my goal. Thanks for watching.